Oh, hey there! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, to Ms. Alban Moshi to my channel, and it's me, Ms. Alban Moshi. So today guys, it's an interesting video about 12 words to learn the British accent. You know, British accent is a little bit hard because it's an old-fashioned accent, and also this accent kind of up. So you have to learn that accent very clearly. It's very sensitive accent to provide with, okay? So we're gonna learn today, and I'm collecting the 12 words to learn the British accent. These words are very important, and I hope you practice it after video because British accent is very sensitive. Without practicing, anything gonna go with you. Okay? So let's get yo. Okay, so the first word is Brofa. Okay, the. You gotta do your tongue, got the. Okay, the. You're upside down of your two. Brother. If anyone say you that, I'm your what? I'm your brother. I'm your brother. Got it? Say again. Great job. So you practice that I'm your brother style. Then the second word, mother. Just like the brother, you say mother. Mother. Say with me, mother. Say after me, mother. Great job. So the third word is father. Just like the mother, you have to practice father. Father. I love my father. I love my mother. Great job. Say, great job. So you practice the three words. The fourth word is where. We don't say like where like in American English. We say where. Where. It's like in W-E-R-E. Where. Where. We don't say where. We say where. Where. Then the last thing, it's not the last thing, it's the fifth thing, okay? Fifth thing is there. There. Okay, practice where. First of all, say where. Great job. Then there. Great job. You listen it, you practice it with me, okay? There. Then the next thing, it's a little bit very different. Here. We don't say here, we say here. In British English, we say here. And also like this pronunciation, here. We say here and here. We say the same pronunciation, okay? So first of all, this here. Great job. Then this here. Great job. This will help you most at this. Then the next thing is potato, not potato. You get confused. And what is it? It's potato. It's potato. I love potato. No, I love potato. I love potato. That okay? Great job. Then the next thing is a little bit different, which is tomato. Tomato. Great job. Say with me. Tomato. Great job. Now we can say two interesting words which will be silent. Okay, bottle. You can say it bottle. Sometimes British accent is like a tricky language. Why? Because sometimes the T gets silent. Sometimes we can say the bottle of water. The bottle of water. It's a lot of practice, okay? So it's easy to say bottle, okay? Say it with me, bottle or bottle. Good luck! Now the next thing is water or water, okay? Water or water. Get me a bottle of water. I love water. It's a little bit tricky. Say with me, water or water. Great job! You're done by the last word. Tuesday. We don't call it Tuesday like American. We say Tuesday. Choose. We don't chew actually the day. We just say it Tuesday. Tuesday. We got the tit together and say Tuesday. Tuesday. Let me say it. Interesting. You learned all the words. Now it's time to revision, okay, girl? Or boys? Okay, first of all, brother. Brother. Mother. Mother. Father. Father. Where? There. Here. This here. Potato. Tomato. Bottle or bottle. Bottle or bottle. Water or water. Choose. So guys, these are the perfect words to learn the British accent. If you like this video, share this video and comment down below how you like that. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon ding. And also get lots of videos and learn videos. I hope you practiced it after video. So till then, bye bye. Keep well, keep practicing English. Be yourself and be happy. Bye bye.